Yo, what is up everybody? It's Jack here. I'm a Shopify developer at Section Store, and today in this video I'll be showing you how you can add a custom comparison table just like these three examples I've created here to any Shopify theme. Custom comparison tables are a request that I get a lot as a Shopify developer. They're really popular, but they don't come with any of the Shopify themes. So this will show you how you can add one like this neat comparison table here to any theme in a couple of minutes. The great thing about these sections is they work on any Shopify theme, free or paid. They're liquid code, which is what the rest of your theme's made out of, so they won't slow down the website. And these sections are a one-time charge of $9, so there's absolutely no subscription for the app. Once you own the section, you own it forever. So we have a few variations of comparison tables, but in specific, I'll go over this one, number 14 today. You can see here you have your product on the left-hand side, and then you have this rotating carousel on the right-hand side. Here you can place other products in your industry, competitors' products, or really any product that you're wanting to compare your own to. To do this, I'll be using the Shopify app Section Store. It's free to install, and most importantly, there's absolutely no subscription. Section Store is a component library with over 500 different theme sections that plug into any free or paid Shopify theme. Today we'll be using comparison table 14, which is the one you can see here. If I click into more info, you can see the section's a one-time, never recurring charge of $9, and it can be added to any theme. Once you go ahead and purchase the section, it'll appear here under My Sections. These are all the sections that I've purchased, and I can add any of them to any of my themes in just a single click. Now the section's installed in the theme, we jump into the theme editor and head to the page that we want to add it to. To add the section, it's just like a regular Shopify section. You hit Add Section, search for the section name, and add it to the theme. As you can see here, here's an example that I've created earlier. To customize the section, we start by clicking on the section name. This gives you the overall settings for the section. You can see here there's a bunch of different customizations that are all really easy to use from within the theme editor. Starting at the top, we have the gap for both desktop and mobile, which is a great feature of all these sections. You can customize them desktop and mobile independently depending on where the customer's viewing from. Moving down, we have the main product settings. So this is going to be the product from your store that you're looking to compare other products against. You can link a product here or even add a custom image and a custom title. Moving down, we have these values settings. So these are the values that you see underneath the product here. You can choose a title, you can choose if it's yes, no, or none, and you can customize each one of these independently. Moving down, we have some more settings. So these are for the overall section. We've got image settings, content settings, title settings, including sizing and custom fonts. Again, settings for the rows, for the icons, all of the values, the arrows, and then you have all of your colors at the bottom, making this completely customizable for your theme. Below the section settings, we have these individual blocks. So these blocks are going to be the product that shows up on the right-hand side or the one that you're comparing your product to. Again, these are much of the same, so we click into them independently. You have a custom product or a custom photo if you want to add one, again, a custom title, and then you have all these customizable values, so you can show how your product is better than a competitor's or does something that another product doesn't do. Move through each of these six and customize them either yes or no with the custom text. Once done, you can move down to the second product. You repeat much the same process for all of the products on the right-hand side, the ones that you want to compare it to. Add an image or a product, add a custom title, add all of these values to show how your product is different or better than the other ones. If you don't need all three as well, of course, you can hide these blocks from the theme and only show the products that you want to compare yourself to. Once you're happy with how everything's looking, you can hit Save in the theme editor. Once you've hit save, you can head into the theme preview, and as you can see here, in just a couple of minutes, you've got this completely custom comparison table with this interactive carousel on the right-hand side showing up in your theme. It's completely customizable for desktop and mobile. It's a one-time charge of only $9, so once you've bought it, you own it forever, and it's liquid code just like your theme, so it's not going to slow down the page at all. You can use this section as many times as you want within the theme, so if you want it on 10 or 100 pages, you can do that. Again, you have customization options for desktop and mobile, so you can edit those completely independently. And it works in any free or paid Shopify theme. That's all for this video. As you can see, we've added this custom comparison table to a Shopify theme in only a couple of minutes. If you have any questions about this or even want to see a specific section be created, you can reach out to us through the app. Otherwise, keep an eye on both the channel and the app in Shopify as we release multiple new sections like this every week.